We just witnessed the awarding ceremony of the company who excelled sa mga academics, sa sports fest, at sa lahat. Congratulations to Bravo and Charlie Company for your award. Kanina, habang pinapanood ko kayo, ako ay natutuwa. Ngunit, nakakaroon din ng konting luha dahil sa saya na pinakita nyo. Dahil kayo mismo habang nagpa-perform ay masaya at ini-enjoy every moment of your performance.
Today, we will also recognize the companies that have excelled throughout their Naval Officer Candidate course. First is the Civiliano Streamer, the BMTD Streamer Award, Academic Streamer, and the Commandant Streamer.
Makikita naman ninyo, andyan sila sa harap natin despite of the heavy rain. Yan ang mga attitude na kailangan ng Philippine Navy o ng sambayanang Pilipinas. Binigyan tayo ng responsibilidad, binigyan tayo ng duty to serve our nation, to serve the people, but not to be served. Again, NOCC Class 38, to the parents, relatives and friends, to the PNOF training staff, congratulations. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo, sa pagdalo ninyo dito. And to the NOCC Class 38, I will give you my snappiest salute. Again, congratulations and see you in the field.